Welcome back, everyone. If you want to get straight to the point and truly maximize the return on investment of your Amazon FireStick, well, you are in the exact right place. Today's explainer is a definitive, no-fluff executive briefing on the absolute best FireStick apps available right now, as of August 2026. We're looking exclusively at the top platforms for free TV, movies, and sports, based on the absolute latest comprehensive guides. Forget scrolling endlessly through the App Store. We are going to build your ultimate entertainment system right now. Let's dive in.
Here's our game plan for today. We'll start by cutting through the noise, establish a safe foundation, deploy your top movies, tackle live sports, add in some essential news apps, and finally, optimize your entire setup.
All right, Section 1, cutting through the noise.
Look, when you survey the landscape of FireStick apps, the sheer volume is just overwhelming. We're talking about evaluating over 71 different viable options. But to get a killer setup, you definitely don't need all of them. You just need a targeted strategy. So I have to ask you, are you actually getting the most out of your FireStick right now? Because if you're only sticking to the default Amazon App Store, you are leaving a massive amount of value on the table. The Amazon ecosystem is great, don't get me wrong, but true streaming freedom requires venturing just a little bit outside those prepackaged walls. And that brings us to a concept that sounds super intimidating, but really isn't. Let's bust the biggest myth right out of the gate. You've probably heard the term jailbreaking thrown around a lot. Well, in the FireStick world, jailbreaking simply means going into your settings and enabling installation from unknown sources. That's literally it, just a simple toggle. It is entirely safe, it's 100% legal, and because you are just using Amazon's own built-in menus, it absolutely does not void your warranty. It's just a quick, risk-free tweak that unlocks your device's true potential.
Moving right along to Section 2, let's talk foundation, safety, and utility. You kind of have to think of your FireStick like a house. You need a rock-solid foundation before you start moving in the fun stuff. And the very first block in that foundation is the Downloader app. This is your essential utility tool. Since you've already allowed unknown sources, Downloader acts as your bridge. It doubles as a web browser, letting you fetch and install, or sideload, any third-party app that isn't officially listed in the Amazon App Store. You just search for it, install it, and boom, you've instantly opened the door to the wider internet.
Now, with that open access comes the absolute need for a security perimeter. A virtual private network, or VPN, is totally non-negotiable here. ExpressVPN is highly recommended in our source material for a few game-changing reasons. First off, internet service providers often throttle your internet speed when they catch you streaming heavily. ExpressVPN encrypts your data, masking what you're doing and stopping that annoying buffering dead in its tracks. Second, it unblocks geo-restricted content by routing you through a massive network of over 3,000 servers across 105 different countries. Plus, the smart location feature automatically picks the fastest server for you, so your streaming stays incredibly smooth and completely private.
Okay, Section 3, top movies and shows. Time for the entertainment deployment phase.
Now that our device is unlocked and completely secure, we need to organize the overwhelming amount of entertainment options out there. The easiest way to do this is to break it down by business model, basically into 3 tiers. In the 100% free tier, you've got ad-supported apps like Pluto TV, Tubi, and the Roku channel. These offer massive libraries without costing you a single dime. Then there's the freemium tier, with apps like Vudu, Peacock, and Streamio. This gives you a great baseline for free, but puts the super premium content behind a paywall. And finally, your premium tier, the heavy hitters like Netflix, Max, and Paramount+. By categorizing them this way, you can strategically figure out exactly where to allocate your monthly entertainment budget.
Let's look a bit closer at the heavy-duty media centers, specifically comparing Kodi to Streamio. Both are fantastic, absolutely free platforms, but here's the catch. FireSticks have notoriously limited internal storage. Kodi stores its add-ons locally on your device, which is going to quickly eat up your hard drive space. Streamio, on the other hand, utilizes a really smart cloud architecture. Its add-ons are installed in the cloud. That not only saves precious space on your FireStick, but it instantly syncs your setup across every device you own. For a FireStick user, Streamio's design is just a brilliant space-saving solution.
And hey, speaking of massive libraries, I want you to think about this staggering number, 25,000. That's the number of anime episodes available right now on the Crunchyroll app. I highlight this just to show you the sheer depth of niche, specialized content you can get your hands on. Whether you're obsessed with Japanese anime, British television on BBC iPlayer, or indie horror movies on Shudder TV, there's a dedicated app with thousands of hours of perfectly tailored content waiting for you.
Section 4, live sports and TV. Let's talk cord-cutting solutions.
So this is the area where traditional cord cutters usually struggle the most, right? Finding reliable, high-quality live broadcasts can be a total headache, but we've got some incredibly high-value solutions. Let's build your live TV strategy by comparing two premium giants, Sling TV and DAZN. If you want a broad, general cable replacement for the whole family, Sling TV is definitely your lane, offering a wide mix of entertainment, kids programming, and news. But if you are a diehard sports fan, especially combat sports, DAZN is a highly specialized premium app offering massive global coverage of boxing, MMA, and soccer. You just have to pick the tool that matches exactly how you watch TV.
Now, if you want the ultimate premium powerhouse for mainstream live sports, you've got to check out Fubo TV. Fubo caters to a highly diverse sports audience, heavily featuring the NFL, NBA, MLB, and global soccer leagues. But what really makes Fubo TV stand out in this crowded space is its 4K streaming capabilities. If you've invested in a great television and you've got a 4K FireStick, this app ensures you are squeezing every ounce of performance out of that hardware during the big game.
But what if you're thinking, there is no way I am ever paying premium cable prices again? Well, you are in luck. There are top-tier, 100% free, and fully legal live TV aggregators ready to go. Airy TV brings you over 100 channels, spanning everything from classic films to live sports. Tubox TV is famous for its excellent HD reliability and a massive selection of Spanish-language channels. And Distro TV provides over 150 channels featuring networks ranging from Bloomberg to Reels. These apps offer an incredibly high return on investment for the budget-conscious viewer.
All right, Section 5, Essential News and Extras, the daily utility apps.
We've covered the big weekend blockbusters and live sports, but a truly optimized device needs those daily utility apps to round out the ecosystem. Let's look at another really powerful number, 120. That is exactly how many local and national channels are aggregated completely for free inside the Amazon News app. And what's brilliant here is the seamless hardware integration. Because it's a native Amazon app, you can simply press the button on your Alexa voice remote and say, "Alexa, play local news," and it instantly detects your metro region to pull up relevant, customized news feeds. How cool is that?
And remember, your FireStick isn't just for watching video. By installing apps like Spotify, you can easily turn your living room into a premium, ad-free music center. Add in the Amazon Silk browser, and suddenly you have full web access right on the biggest screen in your house. Your television literally becomes a complete multimedia command center.
Finally, Section 6, your optimized streaming setup. Let's talk advanced optimization.
We've covered a ton of ground today, so let's bring this entire explainer together. To truly make your FireStick run like a high-end, fine-tuned machine, you need three main system optimizers. First up, Wolf Launcher. This brilliant third-party app completely declutters the default Amazon interface, wiping out those annoying sponsored banners and hiding all the pre-installed bloatware. Second, Task Killer. Since FireSticks have pretty limited RAM, this app instantly kills hidden background processes to give you an immediate, noticeable speed boost. Finally, Blockada acts as a system-wide ad and malware blocker. Run these three together, and I promise your device will run significantly faster, stay safer, and look infinitely cleaner.